how to rank in Google local business results. Guaranteed. Right now, I'm actually rendering a video for how to rank up in Google Maps. Within that, I revealed a trade secret that I never revealed before. And that trade secret was built upon the insights I've shared in this blog post. So if you haven't visited this blog post, simply read through it. But in this video, I'm going to share another different insight. Let's imagine my valued client wants to rank in Google Maps, Google Web Search, Google My Business Listing, and so on, right? Well, if that's the case, here's what you can do. You can search Google. Let's say you're located in UK and your local business is in UK. Then you'd be searching google.co.uk. My valued client is located in Canada. And just like all local business owners, Google is an important part of a business because people search it. That means simply search your brand term. When you do, press on Maps. Here, Google will show you the listing for your business in Google Maps. Then you have an option here. It says Share. Let's press on that. Let's press on Embed a Map. Keep in mind, you can change the size of the map itself. So let's keep this a small size, but you can also customize the size according to your website, right? So let's press on Embed a Map. Let's select small. Let's copy HTML. You definitely need to read through terms and service of Google Maps, using Google Maps. Yeah, regardless of the type of website, you can embed maps. You can embed a map within the content area of your site. You simply paste the iframe. Let's preview changes. And here, Google Maps will show up, as we can see. Or you could go to Appearance, if you're using WordPress, go to Widgets, and place it perhaps on a sidebar. Let's say, let's put a text widget to the sidebar. Let's put it down the bottom, or you can put it in the footer as well. For WordPress, we simply paste the iframe, which contains details for your business. And if you place it on the sidebar, it's going to show up everywhere on your website. Make sense? So, follow the insights in How to Rank in Google Local Business Results blog post by Rankia. Definitely check out How to Rank in Google Maps video tutorial, and you can embed a map into your website. Because when you do all these insights and follow these techniques, you'll be able to outrank everyone. Let's imagine this scenario. Let's say exterior house painters. Let's imagine this scenario, right? This keyword obviously is important. That means if we go to, in this example, Google Canada web search, let's go and search for these search terms. And Google My Business Listing, it's there. First page, there's two different listings, as in two different ranking results. That's the power of learning with Rankia. You won't just rank in Google, you'll be dominating Google. At the end of the day, follow these insights, because then your business will grow. Make no mistake about it, as in grow by using free website traffic from Google. Web search, Google Maps. If you have YouTube channel, follow the ranking techniques for YouTube videos, and so on. Keep in mind, there is more great insights on Rankia YouTube channel regarding Google rankings. And definitely check out the new membership site, because within it, I've shared best of the best insights, trade secrets. I thank you very much for learning with me. If you benefited from this video session, Please do give it a like and share it, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.